So onye be na your live stream get block oya. You blocked me on my 2 accounts. Swanky, I thought you are a strong cartel. Swanky, I thought you are a strong cartel. Why are you blocking people on your live stream? So get where they go. Do you know what really got me angry? When I told you that this person wants to saga you, this person reported the case to me. Do you know I was expecting you with your useless ibugi? I was expecting you to say, oh, racing. They send you na make video up and down. Now area abada, they bully abada. But the same you here na gane is hoshi. Gaga ro Lagos, gane is hoshi. And you are coming out on TikTok. Send your account number. Let me send you. Let me do you giveaway. The day it may give away, ebana ogo nyoshi. Swanky they may give away, ebo one in the money wo nyoshi. It may give away, ebi's roshi. Swanky, it may give away with filter, ebi nezoshi. God shinga, dawa Lagos, and I got chagi. Gaga left for what I can zuru SR ya zoye noshi. Swanky onyoshi. Swanky onyoshi. Swanky gets you in a raise the wine. Kesina raise the woke. Swanky, who gave you certificate to be a spiritualist? Give the one the mother in a raise the wine. Swanky, give Gaziel go on what I carry. Nina raise the woke. Kesina raise the wine. You're looking in the cockroach. Swanky, by tomorrow morning, go and produce your HIV certificates. As a Swanky, why would he be a fine boy? Because he want to support to no ono, or to support to a friend, Onagawa knows Roshi. A boy came here today, born on one Zurioshi. I want to see the reaction of a friend concerning the fact that Swanky's Roshi. A friend, Akwema Swanky's Roshi, and you are fighting Abadano's Roshi. I want to see that Swanky no Onyoshi. This boy came here today with his testimony that true, Swanky is Ryoshi. And Swanky confirmed it. Swanky confirmed it today that true, there's Ryoshi. True, there's Ryoshi Nejoku. Na what I can tell you, onye hiego. Shameless boy. Which useless a friend? I am bigger than a friend. I am bigger than a friend. A friend is a nobody. Oh, a big fool. Oh, Nyoshi. A friend is Woshi. Thank God the whole world today. I'm not going to Nyoshi Swanky. The whole world today, Amatogo, you will Yoshi. Swanky, come out and swear. Come out and swear with Amadioha. Na you need to hold she for no one. Wete, pota where Amadioha, we na live stream. Na Gizubele for no one, get one. We are investigating your matter. I've told that boy he's coming to the east by next week. I got organ engine number again. I got organ gaga butegi na ebeno. Swanky, that boy is coming to the east by next week. We are going to track you. I get butegi. You will be in the police station. I get butere lage. Swanky, by next week, I get butere lage. I get butegi. It got no on a straight line. Swanky, by tomorrow, it got potarela. Come out in Shriga Buto Buzo Shufoni with it. Onyoshi. Oh, I'm going to raise the walk. Get over there is a blend. The chakasha what I can now. Even I raise the work. Swanky berima. Onyoshi. Onyoshi. Onyoshi swanky. Onyoshi. Swanky gaga level from Azuria. I got made this crazy check on social media. I got my one you onyoshi. You a thief, you're a criminal. You a criminal, Swanky. Get le phone, what a kribegi, ga bruya walaga. Get le phone, what a kribegi. Why are you up got iCloud from phone here? Through S area about fool. Shameless people. Yeah, no, then I fight about that. Ndoshi. Pearl, please send that request. Pearl, why Swanky Jira block go on a live stream here? Why is it on a day on your Shina block? Why is it blocking all of you? Pearl, why is Swanky blocking people? Give me a minute. It's not almost getting 600 people are watching because they want to hear him. No, Pearl, please, I want you to on the left. Want to did he block you? Because he has been blocking people up and down.
Swanky, that's what I'm telling you. Block, mute all of them, mute all these people.
Can mute Wednesday, let me be muting them. Can mute Wednesday Dosha. Mute them. No, leave that. Won't mute them.
Swanky like blocked me out of his life. What are they doing here? They should go to him. What are they doing here?
My question: why is he blocking? Why is he blocking people?
They will not want to say the truth now because Swanky is on their side. They will see the truth. They will not say it because Swanky is on their side.